Pop Weaver. Microwave popcorn. 3 bags. When Reverend Ivor Weaver set out to make the world's finest popcorn in 1928, he chose Indiana, farmland. Since then, we have created a family of farmers all across the Midwest who take great pride in growing the world's best popcorn. This is our craft, and we continue to ensure that Weaver popcorn is both great tasting and good for you for generations to come. Great taste, best value, gluten-free, good source of fiber. Pop Weaver. Pop Weaver butter popcorn. Nutrition facts. Weaver Popcorn Incorporated, Van Buren, Indiana, 46991, USA.